Hello, ma'am, sir. Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Jonathan Bandal. I have more than 9 years of experience as a precast concrete worker. I work in Megawide Construction Corporation. My work is almost all around. I gain experience reading and interpreting blueprint or engineering plan, cutting and bending rebar, tying and assemble steel reinforcement for concrete structure like beams, column, slab, wall, stairs, and other concrete element. I have also experience in carpentry, assemble molds or formworks for concrete structure, and also in masonry, smoothing and finishing the surface of the precast. I'm very excited the opportunity to work at your company and to share my skills and experience. Thank you.